everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to reset a Brita water filter indicator after changing it. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my Brita water filter pitcher slash jug. This is the 6-cup model. And on the top, there's actually this indicator that will tell you when you need to change the filter, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna remove the lid just so I can show you up close. Instead of angling the camera, I'm gonna show you up close. Now I have a regular filter because it's a white filter right there. So you can see the white filter is a regular standard filter. If you have a blue one, it's actually the longer lasting, the long last filter, okay? And it tells you when you need to replace it with that light down there. So essentially, to reset the light, you need to first figure out whether you have the regular filter or the long last filter. In my case, I'm going to imagine that I replace it with a regular filter. Okay, I actually just replaced this very recently. This is a new product. I just put it in very recently, so I didn't replace it, but it's still new, right? But we're going to imagine that I just replaced it with a regular standard filter. So for a standard filter, you're going to hold the button down, the status button. You're going to hold it down for 2 seconds. Okay. Hold it down for 2 seconds and it should reset it for a standard filter. So let's do that. Hold it down, 1, 2. Should be able to release it and we're good to go. It's not quite working right now. I think just because the button is not, for whatever reason, it's not pushing down. I'm actually just gonna dry it with my shirt because I just washed it right here. There we go. So it actually just flashed right there. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hold down for 2 seconds, okay? 1, 2, and then we're gonna release it. And what happens is it would have reset it for a standard filter. Now, because I just reset it recently, I believe that it's not allowing me to reset it again. But you just hold the status button down for 2 seconds and it will reset it to the standard filter, okay? On the other hand, if you have a long last filter, you want to hold it down for 6 seconds. So you would hold the status button down for 6 seconds, like it says right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And then you would release it. And then it would reset it for the long last filter. So it's very simple. I believe that because I just reset mine recently, it's not allowing me to reset it. Okay? But what you're gonna have to do to reset the light is hold it down for 2 seconds for the standard filter. 1, 2, release it. And if you have the long last filter, whenever you replace it for the long last filter, hold it down for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and release it. That's basically it. That's how to do it. And it's the status button right over here. You see the status button right here. That's what I'm actually holding down, just so you know. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.